Look at Popeye the Sailor Man. Look at Popeye. Go Popeye. Popeye the Sailor Man. Popeye the Sailor Man. Oh gosh. You're doing good. You're doing good. Yay. He must do a test by himself, my love. Me not get in there with him till I see him master it. My luck it got turn over with the two away in there. No, sir. Watch Popeye. Near, far, wherever you are, I believe that the heart goes. Jack! 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 Oh, Jack! Come on in, Jack. It's the Titanic. Come on, Jack. Look at Jack. Jack has arrived. Jack, are you going to turn it around now, Jack? Come on, Jack. You can do it. You going back around?
Try again.
You going to try again? Okay, Jack.
You're going to need somebody to paddle.
Yeah, somebody definitely got a paddle. It ain't me. So get your practice on, Jack. Jack.
So I guess whichever side you want to turn.
Yeah, you paddle that. Yeah, you got the hang of it. So now you can take me out on a boat ride. Right, Jack? Look at Jack. Jack is whack. I pedal in the boat. Popeye, you had your spinach today? Where you going? Right in that bush. Right in that rotted bush. Jack! Right in this bush. Help what? Reverse. Reverse, Jack. Jack. You hit the iceberg. I can't manage. I cannot manage. Jack.
Reverse.
Reverse, Jack. You're not gonna go all the way around, so around where pool there, or the ocean. Yeah.
So shaky.
It's shaky. I know it's shaky. So I me. Let me just sit down and go on video, yeah? Next thing me know, big old alligator rise up out of the water. Come in, if me come in, when now? If I'm coming now, you no master it yet. Me no feel you need a one more lesson, then me come in there. Jack. Jack from the Titanic. Only thing this a boat. Popeye, you come in? Popeye. Come on in, Popeye. Good job, Popeye. I think I will get in there with you.
One more time, probably no.
Under one condition, me have to go live and make them see you.
Huh?
Under one condition, me have to go live and make them see you. Roll me in it.
Yeah, this is the hard part.
Come on, you can do it, Jack. Come on, Jack. Step over another other one before you try step up on the step.
Huh?
Step in the other one. Yeah. Don't hurt yourself, Jack. There you go.
I did it.
Yes, you did it, Popeye. Proud of you. I'm proud of you. Yay!